Hello, my friend, my guide. We had a small session with the prospects for franchising, and they asked us to share a presentation highlighting the key points of what we have in store. So, this goes on for you as well. So, the first question is, who are we? We are a set of professionals who have worked at different corporates like Tata Motors, Maruti, Career Launcher, Pearson, who have worked on National Skill Development Council projects, worked on many corporate and training workshops in schools and colleges. We have a batch of psychologists, theater personalities associated with us. All in all, we bring a wide array of background to provide training programs offline and online in both the modes. Now, the next slide that we highlight is what streams do we offer? We offer psychometric career assessment tests and orientation. Test preparer, hotel management, law entrance, banking, and railway examinations. Robotics for beginners, age 6 to 10 years. Personality development. This has different facets like social, corporate, interview skills. And when we say personality, it's not just pronunciation, it's your body language, the way you carry yourself, your facial expression, and eye contact. So, those are a lot of things that vary, and a social etiquette would have a different platform than a corporate or the interview skills. So, we have the finesse of each of these traits that we talk about. We spend a lot of time in train the trainers programs, specifically for teachers. Now, teachers in pre-primary, primary, and secondary have very different orientations required in their classes. We hone and polish those skills. Spoken English, we do different courses because a learner who is a child or a housewife would have different facets to learn at basic, intermediate, and advanced levels. Then we bring theater, beginners, advanced trainers programs again. So, taking step one by one, when we say psychometric testing, today a child is exposed to a lot of things around him or her. We don't know whether a child will be a successful pilot, a sports person, or a good designer. So, our psychometric tests identify the key aptitudes and interests of the child, and based on those aptitude, interests, and these learning habits, we are able to recommend careers options which are better for children and more suitable for them in success in future. We have shared a couple of reports with them, and we do a lot of counseling. Once a child takes this test with us, we do a counseling with the parent and the child together and make an action plan, and which our psychologists work with the children for next 6 months time, so that the orientation is well set in. The next step we take is test prep. Hotel management, banking, CLAT, law entrance examinations, as we spoke about. Here we talk about everything which comes under aptitude based tests. When we say that, we are saying we are not stepping into engineering and need space, because that space anyways is a big space and we have a big opportunity outside that space. And if you have any aptitude based tests that you want to conduct at your places, you want us to do something for that, we'll help you out on that. Robotics for children. Today, children at the age of 5 and 6, we expose them to assemble small elements to create small robotics for them. The excitement of creating a bot is so high in a child's mind. Do we think we can play a role there? Yes. A small kit, a child that buys from you, gets training program on the online mode or through the video files that we share with them. It brings a big recognition in your mind, a big step for a parent. That child, a 6 or 7-year-old child, is able to create his own pots because he starts imagining after that. The challenge here is we don't allow children to imagine. These bots develop those things of getting their personalities in place. Personality development, lot of workshops, lot of training programs for different sectors. So we highlighted what we do. Anger management, communication skills, decision making skills, fear, stress. time management, positive thinking, self-confidence, self-esteem. These are some of the trainings that we do. They are proper workshops. For example, a child in 9th and 10th class, we may like that child to get exposed to self-confidence or goal setting, how to set one's goal for the next 2 years time in 11th and 12th, because the entire world is preparing for NEET and entrance engineering entrance examinations. Possibly if a housewife is there or a man sitting in the house is there, anger management, how the child's father or child's mother is able to do that. So those are type of skills we bring on the table. A lot of things on spoken English. Just to share a small thing here with you, we say confidence because if you have confidence in you, you automatically learn the language. For a student, learning English to build that confidence would need a different treatment than to the housewives, than to the boys. So we have customized types of personality traits based English development programs for them, because we believe talking a language is not actually learning the language, it's being confident in that language, and that's why we put this thing as English confidence. Next is theatre. Theatre is what we do every day, we don't realize it. A teacher inside the classroom, 35 minutes of one class, then 35 minutes the next class. Her audience is changing, her speech is changing because she has to take different subjects in different classes, but she has to be performing a theatre throughout the class. Her role inside the school every day is much more than any actor on any stage. I challenge that. Just give an example. We have people who do hobbies, we have people who take theatre as a profession, so we are expanding theatre to children, to teachers, to parents, to professionals. So we do these workshops based on requirements we have from our partners. Then we say we are doing customized training programs based on your unique requirement. Whatever you have, if you are able to get a batch of 10 people, 7 to 10 people, we are in a position to create a special offering for you and your people. But what we are looking for? We are looking for people who have passion, people who have a drive to excel, people who have the enthusiasm with them, because Corona has, biggest effect of Corona today has been the impact on our enthusiasm. Let's get it back. And top of the involvement is we want people to be involved in business. We are not looking for partners who invest the money and then later say, boss, I can't manage the business. Because partners are wheels of this vehicle. We have to move along together. So involvement is something that we have. If you have any queries, the telephone number is there in front of you, 844-891-7196. Please call this number or WhatsApp your queries onto this. We definitely will try to get in touch with you. Thank you.